the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is
Shockwave therapy uses pressurized air to deliver. Shockwave therapy has been shown to increase circulation, break down scar tissue, and reduce pain.
Ha? Good afternoon. Hapon na pala. And dito kami, where are we?
Asian store.
Asian store. Mag-grocery kami, pero unahin muna namin dito kasi ang daming tao sa guys. Ang daming tao ngayon sa road. And kanina dapat na umaga ako mag-grocery, pero si Jan kasi galing dito sa town, sabi niya, I don't think how you're gonna do your grocery today because it's full. Kasi galing nga siya dito. And yeah. And ngayon, nahirapan pa nga kayo mag-park kasi punuan. And also doon, yung dinadaanan ko sa may roundabout, dapat lang siya dire-diretso, diba? Hindi. Nag-stop ako kasi yung car, ang daming mga nakapark. Malaki ang car natin, diba? Right, Zaki?
Yep.
Yeah? Okay. Si Holly, hindi sumama kasi ito yung sinama natin. Kasi need natin siya magbuhat. Okay, what you gonna get here?
Oh, this marble drink, whatever.
Ano nga yun? Ramoni. Is it? The Ramoni? Kuha kami ditong ramen. And tingin din ako ng yung glutinous rice. Okay. Malamig guys. Kaya naka-jacket kami ni Sak. And kanina umaga ang pangit din ng weather. So ngayon lang parang nag-blue yung sky. Oh, Sak, daki. Daki. Gusto niyang uminom ng, sana may malamig kasi minsan nasa labas. Yeah. Umikot siya dyan saan, tumago siya dyan sa mga poste. Did they help? Yeah. Where are you going? Mugo Mugo? Ah, with the jelly. Oh, ayan na naman siya. Hindi niya naman alam kung anong kukunin niya. Bala ka dyan. Tingin ako dito. Kuha ko nitong maliit na spring roll wrappers. Meron akong malaki doon, pero eto kasi ilalagay ko siya doon sa, basta makita nyo na lang yung pag gumawa ko. Ano, Zach? Ano? Why? Which one you want? Mugo-mugo? Okay, wait lang. I'm not done. I'm just checking on you. Makitang nata di coco dito. At charang meron sila. Ano ba yan? Bakit? Dito din sa kabila ni wala talaga silang kaong. Or nata di coco. Paano na? Ilagay niya raw yung drink niya muna sa freezer kasi hindi pa naman daw ako aalis. Go, Zach. Ayan. Put it here. Naman. Ah, alright. Diyan. Why? It's not that cold? No?
That's negative 2.
Negative 21.
It used to be $12.
Huh?
It used to be $12.
Yung eggs, how much the eggs before here?
12.
Now?
$16.50.
$16.50 ang taas. Nagmahal daw sabi ni Sak yung yung eggs dito. Tandang-tanda niya pa $12 lang dati yung eggs, ngayon $16.50 na. Ang mahal na ng eggs nila. Namahala na si Saki boy. Ano to? What's this? What's this, Sak? Ay, kuhon. Kuhon? Ah, shell. See? Yung parang suso na ang lalaki. Ew, daw sabi. Anong tawag nga dyan? Tingin siya ng snacks. Kasi nagsasawa na siya ng snacks sa Coast. What do you think? This one, I think it's good. Parang yung anong tawag dito sa atin? Yung bilog yun sa atin. Ang tawag, si Papa paborito niya yung matamis na bilog na may kulay pink, yellow, na nasa para siyang ice, ano ba yun? Sa ice yellow na plastic. Ano nga yun? Ay, nasa ano ng dila ko, hindi ko masabi. Basta siya, bilog siya na rice din siya na matamis. Baka Eto, masarap din siguro to, no? Sak, do you wanna try this? Pero may peanuts to. Yung walang, yung... You did? You think so? How about this one?
Thingy, that Tokyo box thing, whatever.
Ah, the Tokyo box. This one. Rice crackers. Ito, masarap pang bata naman to. Wala na ano. Merong Goldilocks. Kaso, ano siya? Classic lang. Wala yung assorted. Ayan ang kanyang price. $16.50. House of Pulboron. Masarap kaya to? Meron siyang pinipig ata to. 18 pieces. Try ko kaya to. Ito kasi gusto ko nito assorted. Sak, oh.
Ready?
Not yet.
Did you get a hat?
No. Because I don't want you to eat that all the time. Just get... I don't know. If Kuya don't like it, I don't think so. Just get one for now for yourself and then we'll see if they want it. Ito na naman. You don't know. Just get one of each. Diba? Thanks, Mom. I don't know to you. Which one you're... Which one? Ah, the panda. Ito raw gusto niya. Kuha daw siya niyan. Oh, kinuha niya na yung ano niya. Drink. Okay. Oh. You sure you're gonna eat that one?
Yeah.
What were you saying? Huh? Say it. Who's stink?
Skill?
The girl. Bahong-baho siya dun sa ano. I'm good sa... Thank you. Sabi na... Nataw. Ay, hello, where's my shades? Sabi ni Sak sa akin paglabas namin. Naamoy ko na. Naamoy ko na din. So, lumayo na ako. Tapos, si Sak, hindi ko alam kung ginawa niya. Pero, naamoy niya din. So, pag sabi niya sa akin,
This is vanilla.
ang baho niya, Mom.
I said that.
No, you said she stink. You said that, right? Kuha tayo nitong basmati rice from India.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, yeah.
Thank you. Ayan yung kuha natin dito. What were you saying? Huh? Say it. Who's stink?
Skill?
The girl. Bahong-baho siya dun sa ano. I'm good sa... Thank you. Sabi na... Nataw. Ay, hello, where's my shades? Sabi ni Sak sa akin paglabas namin. Naamoy ko na. Naamoy ko na din. So, lumayo na ako. Tapos, si Sak, hindi ko alam kung ginawa niya. Pero, naamoy niya din. So, pag sabi niya sa akin,
This is vanilla.
ang baho niya, Mom.
I said that.
No, you said she stink. You said that, right? Ready? Baker's Delight muna tayo. Kagat bread. Ayan, punta kami ng Baker's Delight. Tingnan nyo. Sana maghahanap tayo ng parking. Okay, clear. Ana. There's more car coming. And another car on my right. Ay, pumasok siya dun sa papasukan natin. Ay, wala na talaga tayong makukuha nitong parking. You sure?
Yeah.
You're not coming? Binibend niya yung aking card. Kasi expired na yan. May bago akong card. So, binibend or hinahati niya sa dalawa. Okay. Punta ng Baker's Delight. Nag-order na ako doon ng sliced bread. Tingin lang ako dito kung anong fruits ang meron. Dito tayo sa She's Apples. Kuha ako dito ng cherries. Paubos na nga rin yung cherries nila. Oh. Ito na yung ating cherries. Tinitingnan ko kung meron silang queso de bola. Yung malit na red. Eto, meron silang red. Hindi ko alam kung, parang hindi naman yung queso di bola. Snow Donya cheese. Red devil daw. Tapos may green, may blue sila. So, hindi ko alam kung yan ang queso di bola. Tagal ko nang hindi nakakain ng queso di bola. Wala. Mga lollies. Sarap to yung yogurt balls na apricot. And meron din silang white chocolate raspberry. Eto, gusto-gusto to ng mga bata yung white chocolate raspberry bullets. Dami pa. Ayan, mga nuts. Buo yan. Hanggang doon ang chocolates. Parati na lang muna. Where's my cherry? Ah, nandito na pala. Tapos na pala tayo sa She's Apples, guys. Hindi pa kami nakapunta ng Coles kasi ang dami pa ang sasakyan doon. Wala kami maparkan. So, punta muna kami ng...
Are you walking through here?
Yeah. Kmart. Dan kayo dito sa chemist. Tingin tayo ng pang regalo. Tayo ng perfume. That one. Thank you. No worries. Ipag-gift wrap na namin yung regalo kay Auntie Mel. Ito yung kinuha ko kay Auntie Mel. Ang bango. Gustong-gusto ni Sak. Pinamoy ko kay Sak. And nagustuhan niya. And gustong-gusto ko rin yung kanyang ayang cup or lid. Ayan siya. Ang cute, di ba? Time, ito yung rinigalo ko kay Auntie Mel. 2 beses na Christmas kasi gustong-gusto niya yung scent na to. So baka sabi ko sawa na siya para may iba naman yung Marc Jacob yung kinuha ko. That's alright. Thank you. Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Na tayo. Kuha ako ng charger sa phone ni Kuya kasi yung charger niya hindi gumagana. At ako din para dun sa live selling ko yung mahaba. I need the long one. No, that's too short. O yung tulad sa akin sa live selling, yung blue, yung blue mahabang-mahaba. Ha, no? Zach, where are you? Ayan, meron akong nakuhang 2 meters and 3 meters. $18 yung 3 meters. Zach, where are you? Come on. Okay, hold this please. Hindi ko siya na-vlog. Siya yung nag-check out niyan. Nag-self-check out. Kuha raw siya ng sushi. Wala naman siya nung pagpipilian. What did you get? Sweet chili chicken. That one, wala na rin palang sweet chili chicken. So, tuna yung napili niya. Isa lang daw. Let me see. Parang kulang. Sarado na yung Boost. What? It's alright. You won't taste it. May, ayun ng avocado. Don't waste it. No, just... Ano? Ikaw may gusto niyan. Sabi ko sa'yo, tuna yan. Alright? Dito na tayo sa Coles.
Not that one, it doesn't have to.
What's going on, Saki boy? Parang hirap na hirap ka dyan, Saka. Yeah. Yeah, it will. Okay, go. What do you want to get first? Sak, don't do that.
what happened.
That's right. What do you want to get first? Drinks?
Yep.
First. Para sa ilalim yung mga inumin.
Okay, yeah, come here.
No prime, okay? How many? 2? Or just 1? Because we can come back. Then, what else? Fruit box?
2 for 7.
2 for 7 daw. So, kuha siya niyan.
So we can get 4 eggs.
Try different flavor. That one's raspberry, apple raspberry. It's up, I don't know, it's up to you.
3, 6, 9, 12, 18.
You wanna get this? Like this? Yeah.
That?
Yeah, it's just the same. You have to put in the cup.
How much is it? That's $1.39.
Ibabalik niya nung nakita niya yung sale. Kinuha niya. It's up to you. Natawa ko isa. Nakita niyo, di ba, ibabalik niya. Nung nakita niyang half price, nagka-thumbs up siya. How about pineapple? Kuya likes pineapple.
Pine mango.
Pine mango, okay.
Pine.
And pineapple too. I need this for my cooking. Sugar tayo ngayong Christmas and summer. What else? Is that enough?
Mango.
I saw one here.
No.
Pine mango. This one's up. Oh no, they don't have for the fruit box. Gusto niya ganitong ano, pine mango.
24.
What? What? What's that?
6, 9, 12, 18.
Uh-huh.
That's 18.
Uh-huh.
14.
Uh-huh. So 28 for those. So, ano na naman? Why are you putting it back?
24. 49.
Ah, so is that cheaper? Okay. 24 pieces daw for only 14. Eto, how much the other one?
Yes.
To 28. Alright, so put it back. Are you gonna put it back?
No, I just have these 2, 7, 4.
So napamahal pa tayo.
No, we're good.
We're good. I thought you're saving. Oh, what? Ang galing ni Zach. Natatawa ko kay Zach. Gusto ko siya kasama sa grocery. Why? It's 2 for 7, right?
Might as well just get 2 because it's $5 for 1.
Okay. You don't want this one?
Oh, look.
Kasi hindi siya nakasell, ayaw niya. Ano naman nakita nito? Ano na naman? What are you doing? May nakita naman siyang half price. $19 siya before. $9.50 na lang, o diba? Lahat na lang kinukuha niya yung half price. So ano, drinks lang ang makukuha natin dito. Get another one. Siya na. Oh, good? Alright. Hi! Kuha kaya ako nito. How much? Not sure. Huh? That's this one, the bigger one. for me, not for Dad.
Zero sugar. Why don't you use classic?
I don't want. I want this one. It's alright.
Still has the same amount of sugar.
Huh? What's that? Pero lang daw same amount of sugar. Oh. Tingnan, tinignan niya to. It's alright, Sak.
Energy 4.5.
Ano?
4.5.
Oh, this one.
And this one
This one. What's the energy?
4.5.
This one. No, I want this one. Hoy, get that for me, please.
It looks ripped off.
It's alright. It's not. There's none. I don't think so. There is other box. No, I don't want. I want this
What's
one.
the difference?
That's mine. So no one will drink. It's mine. Ayaw nila yung Coke Zero. Ayaw nila niya. No, you already have Coke. The little one. Ano na naman?
Just get the
No, I don't want it. I don't want it. I want is that zero sugar. Gusto niyang kumuha nito. Tapos napapaisip siya na ibalik niya na lang yun.
I would want this, but
Yeah, it's alright. It's alright, Toy. Sak. Ay, nako. Sak, it's alright. Just put it here. Palitan niya na lang ng Coke siguro. Okay. How about Sprite? Fanta. Fanta is nice. No? You can get another one.
we have too much stuff.
Oh, okay. Ikaw, alright.
No, but we're staying there for the month.
Okay, come on.
So,
We can always come back.
we'll be alright.
Bumalik na naman siya. Get Royal. What? Ah, Fanta. Oh, it's alright now. Okay, come on. Kinuha niya pa
Why don't we
din.
get one Fanta, one Royal, the Fanta,
Okay.
one Coke.
Yeah, okay. Diyos ko. Isang oras na kami ata dito, guys. Drinks pa lang yung nakukuha namin. Hoy, it's alright. Just grab that one. We have to get fruits pa, Zach.
And snacks.
Huh?
And snacks.
And snacks, yeah. You're a good shopper, Zach. Go. Just one? Uy, are we going or not? Ang question ng orange.
Was this that thing that Dad used to always?
Yeah, but it's different packaging. But it's still the same mango orange, I think, that one.
This is
I'll get Sprite. Huh?
orange mango. Schweppes. Huh?
What?
Schweppes.
Sus, wala na. Puno na yung cart natin. Drinks pa lang yan, Sak. We're good? Hmm? Snacks. How about shapes? No, sawang-sawan. How about chips? What? What's wrong? Pag siyang kasama ko, instead 2 oras, 3 oras, 6 na oras kami dito. What's wrong? It's up to you. How about Kuya TJ's biscuits? Yeah. Get maybe 4? Yeah. For Kuya TJ. Oh. 2 lang kinuha niya kay Kuya. Oh, this one sucks. There is? Ah, okay. Yeah, okay. 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 Alright. You get popcorn. Okay.
I think that's some snacks.
Are you sure? I think I have that pretzels I have in the house. We need cream. Hala, wala pa tayong fruits. We need fruit, Saki.
Right, yeah, let's go now.
Peanut butter. The big one. Yeah. I want the big one. Get the big one, please. Yeah. Jasmine rice, Sak. Uy. Jasmine rice. Hi? Yeah, that one. Alright. No. That's for the fruits. Just put it on top here. Okay. Pineapple pieces. What's that pineapple piece? Okay. Fruit salad. Wala sa Asian store ng yung fruit salad natin. Yeah? Koala. Tayong raisins.
What are you gonna get?
What's that?
Do you think this looks fancy?
Fancy? Yeah. Bigay niya raw to kay Uncle Jace. Ayan. Regalo niya namin kay Uncle Jace. Okay, come on. Kasi meron kayong regalo kay, ano diba, kay Auntie Mel. Sabi ko, kuhaan namin ng perfume. Sabi niya na, sir, diba? It's alright, come on. Yep. That's alright. I want the other one. Not that one. Wala ng sugar. Nagkakaubusan ng sugar dito. No. Here. No, this one.
That?
Yeah.
Ew, brother.
Why? That's the one. This one? Yeah, but Daddy likes this one.
Okay.
That one, yeah.
Best two flavors. It's on the packets.
Hmm?
It's on the packets.
You want the big one or the packets?
Packets.
Okay. No, I don't think so. They have the packets. Tingnan natin to. Bago to. Ngayon ko lang to nakita. Itong fig and brie. I'll try that one. All good? Fruits and veggies. I want chicken. No, for me, not for you.
Now fruits.
Yeah, wait. Huh? What did you say?
Do you want to do the self-checkout?
No, I don't want to, but we have to.
It's not mine then.
You're the one been grabbing everything.
No, but now you want fruits.
Okay, fruits. Kasi nakita nyo, wala sa cashier, guys. So, baka kami talaga mag-scan. Hopefully, merong kahit isa. Kasi ang dami nito. Kaya minsan tinatamad na ako mag-grocery ng maramihan na ganito. Kasi, ikaw nang bumili. Ikaw pa mag-scan ng sarili mong binili. Alam mo yon. So, ngayon, sabi niya, stop na daw. Kasi, ang dami naming i-scan. Nakita niya kasi walang tao sa cashier. Kami, mga nagsi-self-check lang. Okay, fruits. Nabubulukan ako ng strawberries. Hindi siya tumatagal ngayon. No, you don't want? Alright. I guess, maybe just 2. Ang pangit kasi ng mga strawberries ngayon. Maybe ang lalaki. Ang lalaki. Maybe next time na lang nga. Ayaw din naman isa. Isa kasi si baby girl. Si Holly ba? I just get 1. Because Holly wants strawberries. Mango. Yung mango nila iba kasi. Hindi mo nga maamoy na mangga. Yung wala siyang amoy. What tayo? Siguro 2 lang para sa fruit salad. Ha? Of what? A peach? I'm not sure. There, $3.90. I'm not sure. You have to scale it. Ito. Ito na lang. Okay. Pangalawang battery na pala natin to. Where's the apple sack?
Right.
You want yellow nectarine sack? Ito, yellow nectarines. Nasaan na siya? Sack. You want kiwi? No, I don't think so. It's up to, no. No, that's not free. That's not free. Someone put it there. Huh? So what are you doing? For free. Uy, look. Is that alright? Alright. Okay. Nang bulsa na siya, guys. Nang bulsa na si Sak. Is it free? You sure? No, for $5. You can get some now. Come on. Oh, may price doon, no? Okay. Pink lady and grannies. Check it first, check. Oh, good? Alright. What else? Orange. Mandarins. Mandarins. Come on. Oh, pinalitan niya. You have to check, okay? Or I think it's alright. Okay. This is hard to peel. It's hard to peel. Yung mandarin nila, hindi siya yung madaling ano yun? I-peel?
I
Huh?
want a self-checkout.
Holly loves self-checkout.
Quickly Smart?
Yeah, before we did. Hi, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas to you. Take something?
Yeah! Blueberries. How about grapes? Check the grapes. Okay. This is good. Kasi ano siya? Hindi ganun ka-good. Malambot. You have to wipe it. No? Not good? Not good? What? What it tastes like? Dry? Bakit naman dry? Hindi siya juicy.
That's what I did.
Not sweet. How about this one? Bakit ang papangit ng ano ngayon? Prutas. Better, no? Mas matamis tong ganitong grapes. This one? You want this one? Okay. Wala eh. No choice. Wala rin silang green. Yeah. Meat. I need Are we done here?
Yeah.
You sure? How about strawberries?
You have one.
Just one?
Yeah,
Nine. Wala ng greens. Sack, bag. We need to get potatoes for
Can I
Daddy.
put like this and that cream, whatever stuff?
Yeah, it's good. Dipping. Have you tried it?
Isn't it spicy?
No, it's not spicy.
What's that spicy one we got over there?
What spice? Oh, that's different one. Carrots. Hello, wala pa tayong fruits, veggies pala. Then put all the fruits. Yan yung patatas natin. Okay. I need this mince. For spring roll sock. Ah, no, not that one. This is pork, right? Yes, pork. Okay. Alright. Twigs. Wala nang twigs. Hala. Here. You want the small one or this one? I want the hot. Hot, okay. Gusto niya? Okay, hot. Okay, hot. No short. Ayan, may prawns sila dito. Wala na. Ubus na yung seafoods. Look. It's gone. Wala nang seafood. You want ham? No? Alright. Half a kilo? Yeah. Kuha tayo ng bacon pieces. Kuha tayo ng baby bell peppers. Kasi si Sak gusto niya rin yan. Yung may cream cheese. Meron sila yung octopus. Ayan. Meron kaming octopus. Hindi lang ako. Hindi ko pa kasi siya na-try lutuin. Kasi ang laki niya, diba? So maybe one day. That's for now. Thank you. Kasi 54 per kilo dito. Thank you. So meron tayo doon. Na-try ko na yan. Parang nilaga lang. Tapos nilagyan nila ng herbs. Kuya likes brie. Oh, what? The eggs? Sabi, kukuha pa kayo ng eggs? Yeah, but sometimes
No, it doesn't matter.
he don't get the money.
You know the egg you found, the little egg? Those are actually chicken, whatever.
Yeah, chicken. I know.
I actually cracked it open.
I know. Yes, brie. Not that one. TJ likes this kind of brand. Ano ba yan? Bakit naman? Wala. Ano sila yung Kraft cheese? Meron Vega. Ano na lang? Chicken nuggets.
No, sure.
What you call? Oh yeah, toilet paper and uy. Ito ba? Yung paper towel. Ito na lang. Malaki. Carrots and peas. Yeah, I think so. Okay, wait. Huh? There's one person? Go. May nakita raw siyang isang tao sa cashier. 1 feet.
You want a bed?
What? Yeah, go. Oh. Ayaw niya mag-self-check. Yung kanyang pang-kili-kili. Wow. Ito daw, ang ano niya.
That's one I get.
Yeah, blue lavender. Ang bango niya. Ang pogi-pogi ni Sak nito. Wow. Second time out na naman. So what? Magsi-self-check siya. Maybe we're gonna ask someone. Oh my God. Alam niyo lang yung pinagdaanan namin ni Zach. Right, Zach? The guy was upset. Yung sa likod namin. So, okay, we're done sa... Oh my God, kung alam niyo lang yung pinagdaanan namin ni Zaki, boy. Alright, let's go. Bahay na kami, guys. Alas 8 na, 8:15 na. Grabe, as in kanina, nagalit pa yung ano, yung nasa likod namin. Kasi pumunta kayo dun sa, sa 12 pieces lang na i-scan. Nag-ask kasi akong help kasi ang bibigat kaya ng mga binili namin. So, tinulungan kami nung cashier doon sa may 12 pieces lang dapat. Wala naman nakapila doon. So, sabi ko, can you help us? Sabi niya, yeah, sure. So, doon, tapos mamaya, mayroon nang dumating. And, sabi niya, tiningnan niya kami nisak ng masama. Lalaki siya, mayroon lang siyang 3 o 5 items na pwede niyang i-self-check compare sa amin, di ba? Kasi nagalit. Parang nagalit. Hindi, nagalit talaga siya kasi nagalit siya. Tapos nagsabi pa ako, I'm so sorry. You shouldn't be. Sabi niya. So, inis ako. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. And alam niyo ba, mamaya, magbabalot ako ng regalo. Hirap na kaming maghanap ng iririgalo sa mga bata. And hindi ko na rin mabablog ang pagrarap ko ng mga pangregalo ko sa mga bata. Kasi, kung maalala nyo, nabanggit ko na merong mga naka-subscribe na classmate ni Kuya or ni Sax sa channel ko na. So, malalaman nila kung magsabi si Kuya, anong nakuha mo kay Father Christmas. Tapos, nanood sila ng vlog. Ako yung nagbalot. So, mabubuking. Piling ko, mabubuking na ako soon. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Thank you. Si Jan tulong na kasi mag-fishing siya. Kasi anong oras na? 8:50 na. Thank you, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Magpuput away pa ako. Ay, sana sila. Ayan. Meron pa dun sa, sa car, yung mga drinks hindi na namin binaba.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.